Welcome back to OneSeven TV. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your personalized profile photo frame in Facebook. Stay tuned. Open any browser in your device, phone, PC or laptop. In the address bar, type Developers Facebook Com Products Frame Studio, then hit enter. Click Create Frame. Then click Create Frame again. Click Get Started. You can drag and drop your PNG format frame in the box, or use the Upload Art button. Then, let's select the profile frame we created earlier, or any frame of your choice. You can watch my video tutorial on how to make or create your own Facebook profile frame. Link is in the description below. Adjust the size of the frame to fit into the box. You can preview the result by hovering your mouse on the icons as shown. Click Next if you are satisfied with the result. Add title or name of your frame, and other necessary details. Click Next. And then click Publish. Click OK. And then, voila, your frame has been published successfully, and will be available soon for people to use on their profile pictures. Now, let's try to open Facebook. And look for the profile frame we uploaded. There it is. Click the frame, and the preview window will show the result. Click Use as Profile Picture, and it's done. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates. God bless us all.